theme is the cheap cheat, okay? Hey lovely people, Coupon and Crystal here with a Walmart Ibotta haul, guys. I got 15 rebates for you guys. I actually did it at 2 stores because one store was a little cheaper. So we are going to go ahead and jump into this haul. Now, I'm going to give you the price of what it will be if you do it at Walmart, but I had to do it at a different store. So I hope you guys have this store in your area, which is Harris Teeter. So we're gonna knock those rebates out first. The goal of today's video is to get the cheap cheat, okay? I wanted to get the cheap stuff so I could get my pumpkin bonus, so I could complete my midweek bonus, both which were $5, okay, each. Yes, so I had to do 15 rebates, and let's roll through it. Now, the first one that I decided to get was my Skittles, okay? Now, these Skittles I got from Harris Teeter because they're on sale 10 for 10, which is $1 each, okay? So I paid $1, got back 25 cents from my Ibotta, final cost 75 cents. The reason why I did a bunch of those candy rebates at Harris Teeter, because Harris Teeter has their candy on sale in a 10 for 10, which is $1 each. Now, my Walmarts, for some reason, don't have a lot of the candy in the 88 price range. A lot of them are those shareable sizes, which are $1.48. That's at my neighborhood Walmart and the larger Walmart that's near my job. So I'm not quite sure if that's a thing at everybody's Walmart. Let me know in the comments below, guys. I didn't want to pay $1.48 per pack of candy. Ain't going down. So final cost 75 cents. The next one I did was the Milky Way. Same thing at Harris Teeter. Paid $1, got back 25 cents. Final cost 75 cents. The next one, I did the Twix there. The Twix is on sale as well for $1. Paid that, got back my 25 cents. Final cost 75 cents. I know we rolling through this quick, guys, but I don't want y'all to have to be on this video a long time because it's kind of repetitive, this little section right here, okay? The next one I got was the Three Musketeers. I haven't ate one of these and oh my God, I can't tell you when. Okay, they're on sale as well for $1 at Harris Teeter. Paid that, got my little 25 cents back. Final cost 75 cents. The next one I did at Harris Teeter as well, which was the Starburst. The Starburst was $1. Paid the $1, got back 25. Final cost 75. All right. So that's all I did at Harris Teeter, guys. Now, of course, if you decide to do these at Walmart and they only have the shareable sizes, it's going to be, what, $1.48? You're going to get back 25 cents, making the final cost $1.23. So that's totally up to you if you want to do that. The next one I did get from Walmart, it was 88 cents for this size Snickers. Got my 25 cents back. Final cost 63 cents for the Snickers. Now, the next candy I did get was the Mambas. I got the Mambas this time, and the reason why I had to get these is so I can get me some money back from Swag Bucks, so I can cash in my Swag Bucks, so I can be done with them, okay? Because y'all know I don't do Swag Bucks, but I needed a little bit more money added to my account so I could redeem my $5, okay? So my Mambas were $1.08 each for a total of $2.16. That's what I had to pay in store. I had to make sure that I had this offer clicked in my list for Swag Bucks before I purchased the item, of course. This is a BOGO rebate from Ibotta. So I got back $1.08 from Ibotta. From purchasing the 2 from Swag Bucks, I got $1.25 back, making the final cost free and a 17-cent moneymaker for the Mamba. Now that's up to y'all. I got all this candy I got, y'all. Okay, the next rebate I decided to do. Well, let's go ahead to the other thing, candy, okay? I did get another thing of the M&M mix. I got this at my Walmart, of course. It's $1.48. The rebate is for 25 cents. So the final cost is $1.23 on the M&Ms. Forgot about those. Now, I got a different pasta this time. I got the Dream Fills. I told you, what's the theme? The theme is the cheap cheat, okay? We doing cheap rebates today, y'all. Now, the dream filled is $1.94. To me, that's a little pricey for pasta, but we rolling with it, okay? Now, I had to pay $1.94 in store. I got back 50 cents from Ibotta. Final cost $1.44 for the dream filled pasta. Adding that to my pasta pile. And I got a pile, okay? The next thing that I decided to get was my Mrs. Freshly's. Now, look, we can't put a price on taste good, okay? Y'all know I like these things. For a while there, I was eating them as a breakfast item, okay? I know they not, but I was. So these were $2.86. No coupon. Had to pay $2.86 in store. 75 cents coming back from my Ibotta. Final cost $2.11 for my Freshly's. Y'all know they going on my snack door. My snack door in my pantry. All right, so the no yolks, guys. Now, I was gonna make chicken and dumplings last night, but that doggone Sam's Club, I got there and they had no rotisserie chickens, and I was really in my feelings, okay? I was upset. All right, so the no yolks are $1.78. 25 cents coming back from my Ibotta. Final cost $1.53 for the no yolks. It's about to be chicken and dumpling time, y'all. It's about to get cold. The next rebate I decided to do was on the soft soap. I can't have enough hand soap, okay? The soft soap is $1.98. 50 cents coming back from my Ibotta. Final cost $1.48 for the soft soap. And I had to get me some more pasta because I'm stocking up for Richard's mac and cheese that he's gonna do with Thanksgiving and Christmas. $1.28 for the Barilla pasta. 30 cents this time coming back from my Ibotta. Final cost 98 cents for the Barilla pasta. I told you guys we got a cheap theme going on. Cheap. We doing a cheap. Hell of a good dip. This time I had to get the bodacious onion. Have you ever tried the bodacious onion? Let us know in the comments below. I haven't, okay? The bodacious onion was $1.58. There's $1 coming back from Ibotta. Final cost 58 cents for the dip. I think that's a great deal. Had to get some Annie's. I'm going to donate this to church because I got too much boxed pasta right now. So the Annie's was actually $1.18. 20 cents coming back from my Ibotta. Final cost 98 cents, guys. Gotta take it however can get it, okay? Well, guys, that is actually it for my rebates. I think that was a good haul. We got 15 rebates, and I believe it was for the cheap. Okay, that was my theme for today. Now, of course, you guys should always get what you need when you're doing Ibotta shopping, okay? But Crystal was trying to get the cheap because I just wanted the cash, all right? The highest after price of my rebate was my Freshly's. Like, my Freshly's was $2.11. It was the most expensive item. You just trying to get the money, try to do the cheapest rebates possible, okay? That is the goal here. But I do recommend you do the candy rebates. Do the candy rebates because, you know, that's the deal, okay? It's about to be Halloween. I don't give out candy at Halloween, but some people do. So, you know what? You could give that to the little trick-or-treaters, okay? I hope this video was helpful for my lovely people, okay? If you have not checked out the Frugal Tip Tuesday, I will link that video above so you guys can go and check it out. All right, guys, that is it. I hope this video was helpful for you today. I hope it's going to help you knock out those bonuses with Ibotta. Now, since I completed that pumpkin bonus, it's supposed to unlock another bonus for me. So I'm excited to check and see what I got. I hope you guys have an amazing day today. And remember, click to save and you will be amazed. Give me that thumbs up now. Give me that thumbs up. And if you're not a member of the coupon crew, would you please hit the subscribe button, hit that bell for notifications so you know when we come on here and give you some deals. All right. See you guys later. Bye-bye.